Kaspa is following step by step the same patterns over and over again, which I'm going to be showing you in today's Kaspa update here, guys. I'm going to do a quick update here of what's happening for the Kaspa price. It looks almost the same that's happening right here. And I'm going to go into more details about that. I'm going to show you my trades for Kaspa price I'm having also here. And stay tuned to watch the full update so you can see exactly that this is playing out so far exactly as my previous videos. And let's get started, guys. So hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. Before we get started, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel Crypto Solutions if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And let's get started, guys. So guys, the Kaspa price. So what is the Kaspa price doing right now? It's pumping right now. And was that anticipated? Well, I was literally looking at this on the following days. So the reason why Kaspa price pumped in this case, for multiple technical reasons and also kind of news events. But this, we have a double bottom here, a double pattern. Boom, 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 boom. And that's why it pumped in summary. So target has already been met. If you see, put it like this will be the target. And that was the reason why it pumped. Not only that, guys, another reason, bullish divergence on the daily. So you see the daily body candle close to lower lows here, and then you see higher highs here. And that's a bullish divergence. In the short term, that's very bullish, but this amplified the bullishness because of the W pattern. And also I heard that Kaspa was listed on major exchange, something like that. It was listed on it was a major exchange, I remember, and that's another reason why it pumped like this. But what's very interesting, guys, that this is still below the simple moving average on the 5 daily and the weekly. You can see here, you see the dump and then pump, rejection, rejection on the 5 daily, and still is below that. Okay, so, and this is not a surprise because the same thing happened here. So after you close below the yellow line, pump, multiple rejections, and then follow through. You see the same thing here. Close below, rejection, rejection, and what to expect next? Dumpage. And if we're using Fibonacci retracements, then it's even more obvious here. See here? Dump. Oh, come on. So here, dump, closed in between, very near these yellow lines. It didn't reach that, rejection, and followed through to the downside. And what are we seeing here? The same thing, guys. I'm gonna show you guys quickly what I'm seeing here. I'm gonna delete this quickly. Boom. And here, what we are seeing, guys. Pullback, very near the yellow line's rejection, and coming below this 0.32. Same thing happening over and over again, guys. So that's why technical analysis is very powerful, guys. If you truly know where to look, it's very obvious most of the times. Again, I'm going to show you guys Fibonacci retracements, just as simple as possible. Pull back, reach the yellow lines here. Still, it is around this red line, the 0.382. Close below, fake out, dead cat bounce, and boom. So technically, that's a dead cat bounce. So we have boom, reach the 0.5, and then after reaching the 0.5, even using wicks, if you close below that 0.382 later on, after already retesting that 0.5, eventually you will see a lower low. You will see a lower low than this one, which is here. Okay, and here the same thing again. Pullback, rebound near those yellow lines, and next one on the 0.382. Literally the same thing. It's so far playing out right now. So far it's playing out right now like that. And then if it's gonna replicate the same thing, which is doing it step by step, literally almost the same thing, then you will see a lower low than this 0.32 cents, which will be fulfilling the target here of the head and shoulders. So what's very interesting here, guys, and not only that, guys, but even the yellow line, close below the yellow line, resistance, huge pump, close above here, rejection here, next candle here, and then boom. Same thing here, guys. Close below, resistance far below here, rejection here, and still getting rejected here. And it's doing the same thing, guys. And not only that, guys, but at the same time, again, huge bearish divergences. That's not good, guys. Higher highs, wicks to 5 daily body candle closes above, and then still lower highs very drastically. If you want to look at the weekly, it's the same. It is still below the yellow line. So watch out, guys. Again, watch out. And at the same time, the Bitcoin price is most likely going to dump, like I showed you guys already on my previous video, or this one. I'm adjusting the editing right here, or both of both. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing so far, guys, for the Kaspa price. And this is still on track, on still forming. Remember, guys, when you see a dumpage, you will not see like this, straight down like this. You just go down, you go up, and you go down again. And again here, you go down, you go up, you go down again. That's what literally is happening so far. And again, until it closes, 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes above this yellow line, I will not close my trades. I'm going to show you guys my trade here very quickly here. This is my trade right here, as you can see. Okay, right now, Kaspa here. I do want to inform you guys. I did mention that my entry price was around like 0.034 because of the fair price, and that was the price during that time. But my actual entry price is 0.0356 cents. Okay, and right now it is like this, 22% negative right now, and still holding my trade normal, as I already mentioned here, guys. I'm still expecting for the Kaspa price to close above, still more downside. This is replicating the same thing. It's just nothing new here, and retest eventually this range. Okay, the head and shoulders, which I mentioned here, did this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys quickly here. Boom and boom. Let's see here. So here, guys, I added this line. Okay, so this is resistance, and here after resistance, support here, the break above this line, and then retesting this line. Okay, head and shoulders is this. Okay, break below, retest, rejection, fake out so far. So this head and shoulders still it is on play because of the daily body candle closes. Okay, still this is in play. Still it is still below the head and shoulders target. It is still below the head and shoulders neckline. Okay, so that means still this can still go lower. Okay, and again, my target at least 0.025. Okay, the minimum would be this one, 0.027, and my target 0.618. Okay, I'll be my ultimate target there, but from there I will evaluate what the Bitcoin price is doing. So this can dump very harshly if the Bitcoin price decides to dump very hard. I will say this, guys, Kaspa is, wow, it's like acting resilient. Like it's putting up a good fight on this price targets. Still, even with that, I'm expecting lower targets. But I like to see this, guys, because for the long term, Kaspa It's a very good cryptocurrency from what I'm seeing here. It's being very resilient, but still, it is fulfilling the targets I'm already mentioning, guys. But at the same time, long term, this I like to see this for long term cryptocurrencies because almost no altcoin does this. It's as resilient as this. The biggest resilient cryptocurrency I'm seeing so far is Quant and Kaspa. Because it's insane. I mean, wow. Kaspa has been going new all-time highs even if the Bitcoin price was going lower. Almost none of the cryptocurrencies does that. And when it does that, it does it for a very short term. Like, for example, if an altcoin is forming new all-time highs, even if the Bitcoin price is going lower, still, it's like one new all-time high and that's it. It's like new all-time high and then dump. But Kaspa has been forming higher highs, higher lows, new all-time highs over and over and over again. And it makes sense because of the fundamentals to some extent. But at the same time, it's like, wow, it's very, very interesting. Like, I will admit that. And like I said, I'm very bullish for Kaspa. Not on the short term and mid term, but I am on the long term. So I do expect eventually, like Kaspa, to go new all-time highs, and I'm going to definitely invest in that. Not financial advice, but I'm going to definitely invest in Kaspa. The long term is very bullish. It sees boom, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and here we're gonna do a pit stop here, and then we're gonna go higher. Okay, and I will definitely put a long-term back for this Kaspa price eventually. Okay, especially when the Bitcoin price is going to dump, which is going to drag this a little bit lower. I would say this can hold a little bit even if the Bitcoin price is pulling back, but this is still going to pull back. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to do something like this. I'm not expecting that, and the technicals are not saying that. Okay, until the only way that can happen if it closes below the 0.23 sets most, and that's where you're gonna most likely see a more downside. But so far, there's no reason to even entertain that at this moment. Okay, so here it's very interesting how this Kaspa price is behaving. It's very, very interesting. Okay, but at the same time, I already mentioned before, still I'm expecting lower targets. So it's boom, dead cat bounce most likely if it starts closing below this 0.382, especially 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes below that, or 2 to 4 daily body candle closes below that, then this is going to be still adding more to the fact that this is going to complete the targets here, making a dead cat bounce. Okay, that would mean going lower than this low. Okay, after you pull the Fibonacci tracing here to here, going lower than this low, and the same would be here. Boom, this low would be going lower than this low, and there's a lot of space in between here. Okay, so wow, I want to delete this so I can show you one last thing before I end this video, guys. So using Fibonacci tracers here, guys, we see high, wait a second, here, there. So we see high and low, bounce, and then rejection on the yellow lines, come back here and close above the yellow lines, very bullish, a little bit of a retest, next line 0.786, support, 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 next line, retest again, follow through, and then retest again the 0.786. Okay, very interesting. And now that when it loses, in that case, the 0.382 Fibonacci tracing here below 0.38 cents, then when it happens, okay, then retest of the 0.786 Fibonacci tracing, that would be 0.032 cents. When that support gets broken, that's where you technically expect net support to be around here. Even using horizontal supports and resistances, the same applies here. Huge gap here. Okay, So when it loses that, Kaspa can harshly, very quickly go to that 0.61 in that 0.65 Fibonacci trace around 2 cents, around 0.026 cents, and the 0.027 cents. Okay, that would be my target. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing so far for the Kaspa price, guys. And from there, if this support doesn't hold, then the next one would be 0.5 Fibonacci retracements around 0.02. If that doesn't hold, then 0.382, 0.6 would be 0.382 Fibonacci trace around 0.019 cents, and you go level by level, okay? And the same to the upside, okay? So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing so far for the Kaspa price, guys. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis, YouTube videos, and for other altcoins, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, guys, if you need help in the cryptocurrency market, had any questions, investing in short-term, mid-term, and long-term, I have an elite VIP crypto investor membership, which I cover 2 to 3 times per week. Technical analysis on various cryptocurrencies. It can be Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Chainlink. It can be HETS, it can be Binance, it can be Quant, ISO 222 tokens, it can be IOTA, XLM, etc. And I also post it's like a signals kind of thing, but it's more towards me showing you what I'm doing in this case, which is trading in the short term and mid term. I put on trading opportunities, which I'm going to show you right now, which are right here when you're seeing the midterm personal trading opportunities. Like this, I update you guys on my trading opportunities and when I'm looking to buy or take profits or sell. Also, when I'm doing dollar cost averaging, I also notify when I'm buying and selling which specific cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. But this can be used as educational, investigation, and also entertainment. So, and also, if you have any specific questions about if this cryptocurrency is good, what about this one? Will it be in the future? What will be the most likely outcomes? Things like that. I can definitely help you with that. I also take into consideration the total solar eclipses, the total lunar eclipses, the Shemitah cycles, and other very, very important indicators which I personally use to determine near bottoms and near tops in the bear markets and bull markets for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if you need help, you can definitely click in the Patreon link in the description below. Patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and that's how it works usually. Like I have the $50 per month in this case crypto portfolio investment review, but that will be just one payment, so it will not be a per month basis. It will be just one verification. So if you're interested, you can definitely click on my Patreon link in the description below, Crypto Solutions. It will be patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and I will see you guys there. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will help you as much as possible. I will see you right now there, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.